Welcome to Just Make Money. Just Make Money is a platform where you get a very refined and a professional outlook about a particular market, a market of your choice, a market you are involved in. You do not have to analyze the market yourself. All you have to do is just listen to us and just listen to us on a continuous basis. Even if you are analyzing the market, this can be a second help. This can be a vetting platform whether you can find if your opinion matches with ours. Now, why we are so confident about ourselves? I, Sumeet Kumar, with 25 years of experience in international and domestic financial markets, I present to you the best of our analysis. I am a SEBI registered research analyst and I am advisors to HNIs, NRIs, and corporates. Now, this video relates to US dollars, US dollar and other international currencies versus INR. First of all, we should look at what US dollar was the previous week. Now, if we look at the price chart, we find, and as we had told to you, that it had broken out of its normal range to a different range, higher range. And this high range was because of a hawkish stance taken by the Fed, the central bank of the US. And we had also projected that it is very likely that's going to touch around 114 and it will come back after touching 114. So in the current price chart, you'll find that it has actually come back after touching 114. It has touched around 110 and there is a possibility that it can touch 108. This is a remote possibility that it can touch 108 and it should again pull up towards 114.15 somewhere around the mid of this month. So what impact it has on other currencies, especially INR. Now this was the previous price chart of US dollar INR. And this is where we had got caught. We had given a bear call on bear call on US dollar, and we find that the price has actually strengthened. US dollar had strengthened and rupee has weakened. We expected rupee to come under 79, but it actually moved above 81 and close to 82. Now this is the current chart. Price chart of US dollar INR. It looks contained, it looks stable, Indian rupee, and there is a possibility that it can go close to 82.50 because of stronger US dollar internationally. So what should an exporter do? An exporter, if they are using futures or forward to hedge their positions, then they should wait. They should hedge themselves, short-term hedging for a month or say 2 months, close to 82.50. Those who are using options to hedge themselves, they can do at current levels. A trader or an investor can actually buy. An importer should actually buy. Importer should not wait. This is the price chart of Euro INR. Euro INR in a declining trend because of an uptrend of US dollar internationally. You will see that. It has tried to pull up, but again shot down because of stronger dollar. It had touched around 78, but again this is actually a previous chart, price chart. I will give you the recent one. This is the recent one where after a fall in US dollar, it has pulled up. It has pulled up close to 81 and it is likely that's going to go to around 82. Now let's look at pound sterling. It has a disastrous kind of a move. A disastrous move because of the policies of the government of England. A weaker budget, a tax cut of 45 billion pound sterling without any backing to it. Backing in the sense that did not know where to finance it from. 45 billion pound sterling, and because of that the GBP tanked. But because of verbal intervention, it retrieved. And this chart shows that after touching around say 85, it has moved close to 93. There's a possibility that it can touch around 95, but again therefrom it should come back. So our suggestion for euro and pound is that those who are using options to hedge it, normally they are very illiquid. So we will suggest that you use only futures or forward. Any uptick should be used to hedge euro and pound sterling. Investors should not be into euro or pound sterling. They should not buy. Euro and pound sterling is not to be bought. And traders, they can always sell as of now on every rise. So this was a gist of analysis, our analysis on various currencies, international currencies versus INR. If you have really liked what we have said to you, this is a brief, this is a gist, this is a mix of, our analysis is a mix of fundamental and technical analysis. So you don't have to actually look into what are fundamentals or what are the technicals. We give it to you directly from the trading desk. So if you like it, please like our video, share it with people who are concerned about the currencies, who get impacted. Subscribe to our video. It will be a weekly kind of affair. And if you want to have any sort of improvement or additional features, please comment. We'll be back again. Thank you.